You don't lose your engine all at once. You lose it slowly, the moment you stop hearing it. Most riders believe louder bikes are safer bikes, but that belief is quietly destroying engines every single day. Because your motorcycle is always speaking to you, not through warning lights, not through dashboards, but through sound. Every tick, every pulse, every subtle change in tone. And when wind noise, helmets, earplugs, and bad myths drown that language out, failures don't feel preventable, they feel sudden. By the end of this breakdown, you'll know exactly what your engine has been trying to tell you, and how to hear it before something breaks. The language most riders ignore. Noise isn't just noise. Noise is information. Yet most riders talk endlessly about how their bike feels, how it handles, or how it looks. Suspension setups, tire compounds, paint jobs, exhaust styles, those conversations never stop. But very few riders talk about how their bike sounds, and that silence is dangerous. Because here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Loud pipes don't save lives. Listening does. Your engine sound is not background noise. It's feedback. It's a real-time diagnostic system operating every second your bike is running. It's communication between metal, fuel, heat, pressure, and motion. When you ignore that language, you don't just miss sounds. You miss early warnings. Warnings that show up days, weeks, or even months before a failure happens. Engines almost never fail without warning. Riders just fail to listen. Every engine has a heartbeat. A healthy motorcycle engine has a rhythm, a pulse, a mechanical heartbeat. At idle, that heartbeat should be steady and confident. Under throttle, it should rise smoothly and predictably. On deceleration, it should settle without chaos. Experienced riders don't just ride their bikes, they listen to them. They can hear a chain stretching long before it snaps. They recognize valve tapping before heat damage occurs. They catch exhaust leaks before fuel efficiency drops and engine temperatures climb. That awareness doesn't come from luck, it comes from trained attention. Once you develop that skill, your bike stops being a mystery and starts becoming a conversation, one you can understand in real time. What a healthy engine sounds like. Before you can recognize danger, you need a baseline. A properly tuned engine has 3 core sound characteristics. 1. Consistent idle. At idle, the engine should sound stable. No wandering RPMs, no random dips, no uneven pulses. Even loud or modified bikes should sound controlled here. Loud does not mean chaotic. Healthy engines sound confident, not confused. If your idle feels like it's searching for stability, something is already off. Fuel delivery, air mixture, sensors, or mechanical wear. 2. Predictable throttle response. As you roll on the throttle, the pitch should rise smoothly, like a clean musical scale. Not jumpy, not crackly, not erratic. Sudden pops, flat spots, hesitation, or uneven climbs often signal issues with air, fuel, ignition timing, or intake leaks. Your tachometer shows numbers. Your ears hear transitions. Those transitions matter. 3. Clean deceleration. When you roll off the throttle, the engine should slow down smoothly. Excessive popping, rattling, whining, or clunking on decel isn't personality, it's information. If your bike has a sound you can hum, a repeatable, familiar rhythm, that's a good sign. When that rhythm changes, something inside the system has shifted. When sound changes, problems begin. Sound doesn't change randomly. A sharp metallic tap often points to valve clearance issues. A hollow, airy tone usually means an exhaust leak or gasket failure. A grinding or whining pitch can signal chain or sprocket misalignment. A dull knock may indicate early bearing wear or internal slack. These aren't catastrophic noises, yet they are warnings. Riders who recognize them early fix small problems cheaply. Riders who ignore them ride straight into expensive failures. The engine always whispers before it screams. The helmet problem. No one talks about. Your helmet is your biggest sound filter. Modern helmets are designed to reduce wind noise, which is excellent for hearing protection and long-term comfort. But that same design also masks the exact frequencies that signal mechanical trouble. Failing bearings, tapping valves, misfires, chain noise. These live in the mid-frequency range, the same range whine turbulence destroys. Add earplugs, which you absolutely should use. And the illusion gets worse. This bike sounds normal. No, your helmet makes it sound normal. That's why so many failures feel sudden. The warnings were always there. You just never heard them clearly enough to register concern. When and how you should really listen. The solution isn't riding without protection. It's intentional listening. You should regularly listen to your bike in quiet environments, in your driveway, inside a garage, after washing the bike, at stoplights with minimal traffic noise. That's where the raw mechanical truth lives. 5 quiet minutes of focused listening can tell you more than a full aggressive ride ever will. The stethoscope hacked mechanics. Swear by professional mechanics don't guess. They listen internally. A mechanic's stethoscope costs about $10. Place the probe on the engine case, valve cover, cylinder head, or clutch housing, and it amplifies internal movement. You'll hear valve taps, cam wear loose fasteners, early bearing fatigue. No stethoscope. Use a long screwdriver. Place the tip against the engine. Press the handle gently against your ear. What you hear will surprise you. A healthy engine sounds tight, controlled, and rhythmic. A struggling engine sounds loose, airy, uneven, or chaotic. 5 minutes once a month can catch problems long before they become disasters. Why exhaust sound can lie to you. Exhaust noise is dramatic, but misleading. It tells you very little about internal engine health. Engines often fail quietly long before the exhaust note changes. Internal wear doesn't always affect volume, it affects precision. That's why listening inside the engine matters. The exhaust performs, the engine confesses. The most underused tool, sound logging. Your smartphone is already a diagnostic tool. Once a month, record 15 seconds of idle record, 15 seconds at light revs, 3 to 4,000 RPM. Label each file with the date. That's it. Over time, changes become obvious. New ticks, slower startup turnover, exhaust tone shifts, chain slap, belt flutter. You don't need special software. Your ears are enough. This is how professional mechanics catch intermittent issues. This is how attentive riders save hundreds, sometimes thousands, in repairs. When a sound means stop riding, not all noises are equal. There are 3 danger categories every rider must recognize. Sharp sounds, metallic clicks or taps, often valves or cam wear. Never ignore hollow sounds. Air like thumps or leaks, exhaust or gasket failure, performance and heat risk, irregular sounds. Uneven firing, random knocking, fuel, ignition or chain alignment issues, rules to live by. Sudden new noise equals inspect immediately. Gradually, louder noise equals book a mechanic. Noise disappears without helmet equals reevaluate quietly. Noise masked at high. RPM equals investigate deeper. Engines don't just die. They warn repeatedly. Why riders ignore warning sounds because the bike still rides. That's the trap. Burned valves, snapped chains, warped gaskets, blown seals. Every one of these failures was preceded by sound. Silence isn't safety. Silence is neglect. The real skill that separates riders. A motorcycle engine is a constant conversation between pistons, gears, chains, combustion. When everything works together, the sound is balanced, predictable, and confident. When something shifts, even slightly, the sound shifts first. Riders who ignore that rely on luck. Riders who listen rely on skill. Final recap. Healthy engines have consistent rhythms. Helmets and earplugs can mask danger. Internal listening reveals the truth. Monthly sound logs expose change over time. New noises are early warnings, not annoyances. If you want fewer breakdowns and more confidence, download the engine sound checklist below. It will help you identify what's normal, what's suspicious, and what needs immediate attention. Your next essential lesson: the emergency lane split truths riders never share. Subscribe if you trust sound over luck, and if you believe your bike deserves a rider who actually hears it.